Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best underbed storage on Amazon. With Sony, I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Only easy foldable underbed storage. Whether you are looking for extra space for your off-season duvet, or an organizer for your pillows and sweaters, the Only Easy foldable underbed storage is worth considering. These storage bags are designed to fit underneath beds and provide plenty of storage space for a variety of items. With the help of the transparent window, it's easy to identify what's inside without opening the bag. The bags are equipped with large metal zippers that have been tested and proven to last up to 1,000 uses, ensuring they are strong enough to withstand everyday wear and tear. What we like about it: resistant to ripping and tearing, 2 reinforced side handles, easily slides under the bed. What we don't like about it: not easy to move once filled. Number 2. Storage Lab Underbed Storage. The Storage Lab underbed storage containers are ideal for organizing and storing items around the home. Designed with a woven fabric and plastic panel structure, each container can hold 13-20 gallons, making it perfect for various uses. The containers are 34 x 17 x 6 inches and allow users to store blankets, pillows, clothes, toys, and more. The strong zippers and durable handles make it easy to pull the containers out from under the bed without fear of damage. These underbed storage containers stand out from other solutions because they don't require an ugly plastic lid. The stylish design allows them to fit seamlessly in any bedroom, closet, or bathroom. What we like about it: a soft underside prevents scratching, fits under beds with low clearance, zippered top for added security. What we don't like about it: not suitable for larger objects. Number 3. Nest Neatly Underbed Storage. If you're looking for a great way to organize your home efficiently and bring order to your room's chaos, look no further than the Nest Neatly Underbed Storage. This set of under-the-bed storage bins offers an elegant way to keep clutter from taking over your home. Measuring 39 x 18 x 6 inches, these containers are spacious enough to fit comforters and other winter clothing. Keeping items stored away with confidence is easy due to the sturdy metal zippers, reinforced handles, and ultra-durable rip-resistant cloth material. In addition to the sturdy construction, the bins also feature clear windows, so you can easily identify what's inside. What we like about it: durable fabric and easy-to-use zippers, have handles for easy maneuverability, lifetime manufacturer's warranty. What we don't like about it: no reinforced bottom for added support. Number 4. Mill Mint Underbed Storage. Mill Mint Underbed Storage bags provide an ideal way to declutter and distress the home by organizing belongings out of sight. These foldable and large storage containers feature a stylish and sturdy design. They have strong O handles and convenient two-way zippers for easy access. They also boast an impressive 62 gallons of storage space, allowing you to tuck away your off-season clothes, blankets, shoes, and more with ease. These bags are made from incredibly durable non-woven material that's breathable and strong enough to hold bulky items without damage. They're designed to remain fresh month after month without needing replacement. What we like about it: durable handles for easy pulling, lightweight and flexible structure, foldable for easy storage. What we don't like about it: not ideal for beds with low clearance. Number 5. Zober Underbed Storage. The Zober Underbed Storage is a must-have addition to any home organization system. The slim and compact design allows you to maximize your space with convenient and large storage organizers. Great for stuffed animals, blanket storage, clothes, and more. They're made of lightweight, breathable, non-woven polypropylene material to ensure they last a long time. What we like about it: easy to access, keeps bedroom looking neat and tidy, practical and efficient solution. What we don't like about it: no additional features. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.